Hey, so what's up, OMG Nation? Today I'm running down to Brentwood to see a buddy of mine to help him mount his GoPro on the side or front of his helmet, however we figure out what's best for him. So I'm going to take you with me. So let's roll that intro, brother. So I talked my buddy into buying a new GoPro. I think he had a Hero 4. He had 2 of them, and then he had a Sessions. I don't know which one that was, but he ended up doing that same thing that I did, which you send in an old camera over. I believe GoPro's amount was $250 or $60 or something like that, and they will give you $100 off of a new GoPro Hero 7 Black, which that was a killer deal. Those are $400 cameras, and I got mine for $3. Not too shabby. I tell you, I'll be interested to see if his GoPro needs the firmware update that mine needed. When I got mine, it was freezing up. Hopefully it's not freezing up now. Get it, Stanger. Oh man, I forgot my wallet. I gotta turn around. Dang it. Come on, let's get it. My AC's not working. All right, so let's try that again, brother. Getting back on the road, I've got to get over. My exit's coming up. Whoop! Boom! Oh yeah, that's the section that last time I went through. That bump kicked me in my pancreas. You see a lot of this too. Guys on. He's got every logo known to man on his shirt. Wake it up. Oh my goodness. That's what my boy says to me. He comes in the room in the morning, sticks his face about 4 inches from my face, and starts whispering to me, "Wake it up. Wake it up." What? Sometimes I'll sit there just to see how long he'll say it. Then I'll crap. No, crap. I won't crap at the bed. I won't crap the bed. Then I'll crack up laughing. He'll start laughing at me. Wake it up, please. I'm hungry. I know, kid. You ate dinner. 20 minutes later, you told me you were hungry. You went to bed hungry. You woke up in the middle of the night, told me you were hungry. You're going to tell me you're hungry now. You're going to eat breakfast in 20 minutes from now. You're going to tell me you're hungry again. I got it. I got it. All right, let me run here and get a quick coffee. All right. After my quick coffee break, I'm back on the road. I'm going to run over here to my buddy's house. Watch out now. I see you edging your nose out there. We'll mount his GoPro. The heck were those? On top of his, somewhere on his helmet. We can mount it on top. That's what I ought to do, just mount it right square on top of his helmet. And and say, this is how the cool kids do it. That's a good question for you guys. When you see someone riding their bicycle on the road, all the cars are having to drive around them. I feel like that person on the bicycle is disrupting the flow of traffic so much that they're actually making it dangerous for everyone in a car and or motorcycle. Especially when there's a sidewalk here that they could ride on. There's no one walking down the sidewalk, so why not ride on it? What's the difference? I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Do you guys run into that where you're at? Alright, so that was a little bit of footage of us mounting that GoPro on just one of his helmets. We were going to do the other one later. He was trying to figure out a great spot. We ended up doing the side mount. He didn't want to cover up his front vent. I didn't want mine on the side. I felt like it balanced my helmet out better because of all the stuff that I had. The microphone, he's not doing the microphone yet. Ooh, that's a nice little Jag. So as of right now, he says he's just doing this to have footage. We'll see what he ends up doing with it. I have a feeling in a while he'll ask me what kind of microphone setup I have, and he'll end up wanting to put a lavalier mic in his helmet. Well, I appreciate you guys watching this episode. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And I will see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.